It's my favourite time of the year.
I could take or leave it.
Hi, I'm William Curley.
I'm Shauna.
And I'm Sam.
Why not inject some comfort and joy into your lives with beautiful home-cooked Christmas food?
So now we need the star of the show. Sprite.
No!
It's maple syrup. Come on, bring that in.
I'm a massive fan of maple syrup, but the best maple in the world is from Canada, particularly Quebec, where they boil the syrup down from the maple trees and it gives this beautiful, viscous, rich, flavoursome syrup that I adore.
At Christmas time, it's probably the most I use maple syrup. I mean, it's literally everywhere. That natural caramel, toasty, lovely flavour. I don't think there's anything like it to really pimp up your dishes.
Maple syrup, which really adds a great depth of flavour, and really everything that I do, it's all about getting flavour. Without flavour, you're nothing. And the maple syrup really brings that to life.
Especially at Christmas when you've got lots of things with massive bold flavours. You know, I need something that's going to work with my turkey and a dressing and my pie.
You can use it in so many desserts and pastries and cakes and ice creams and chocolate.
It's always about flavour and balance. And for me, it works across the board for all of those things.
Delicious.
Hope you enjoy our maple festive feast at home. And a very Merry Christmas! You can't have too much maple in your life.